Hello, loves. Welcome back to part 2 of my 4-part attic organization, where I will share how I purged, zoned, and organized my attic. The last video, I shared my Christmas bin organization on the left side of the attic. If you haven't seen part 1, I will link that in the iCard above. Today, we will be working on the right side. So let's get started. As you can see, the right side is just as bad as the left side was. This side of the attic, I plan to organize my overstock home accessories, party supplies, and house supplies that is just too large to store it in the house. I am so excited to get everything in its rightful place, but first we must clean this out. So let's get started. Hubby helped out by removing the large heavy boxes while I was out of town, so I didn't get a chance to film that, but as you can see, it was a lot of stuff. He also swept it out to prepare for laying the subflooring for the top of the ledges to create another abundance of storage space, but I will share that with you in another video. Here's what the right side looks like now while everything is out and nice and clean. So now it's time for a trip to Lowe's for subflooring. It is called blue board or OSB board, but it's the same board that contractors lay before they lay your final flooring. Hubby will be laying flooring on the second level for another area of storage space. We had the boards cut at Lowe's vertically for easy handling and installing the pieces. It took about 3 hours to get all the boards installed, and it looks great. So now to decide on a storage unit. I decided on the metal shelving is strong and durable and can handle the removing and adding of boxes and bins and decor pieces without bending or warping the structure or shelves. The shelves are by Muscle and cost about $89 for a medium shelf and $79 for the smaller shelves. Each shelving unit is easy to install and can assemble in different shelving configurations. Since the walls are short in the attic, I decided on a 2-shelf unit instead of the 4-shelf. So what do you guys think so far about the series? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. And here are a couple of tips. Tip 1. Create storage spaces from unusual areas by adding flooring or additional boards to maximize your storage area. Tip number 2. Add extra lighting to the attic storage space. Hubby and I added 3 more ceiling lights for adequate lighting over the storage areas. Tip number 3. Add storage units to your space with sturdy frames and shelving to accommodate your storage. Well, that will do it for video 2. Stay tuned next week Wednesday for video 3, where we will finish up the right side of the attic with labeling, zoning, and organization. See you then. If you love DIYs, decorating, organizing, and so much more, click the subscribe button and click the bell for new videos notification every week. Don't forget to visit my other social media platforms for ideas and tips to decorate, organize, or better your home living. Until the next time, my friends, smooches!